What did you get for bond A? What was your model for bond A? What's your initial? And then so after 20 years, what did this bond become? 20 years later, you got 148. We said we have a 148. I've heard 150. Oh, like what? All right. Easy. Okay, now we're going to switch over to the next one. So now we have bond B. Bond B also start off at 100. But for bond B, what is it? 0.01 over 2. And that's because it says semi-annually, and it told us semi-annually meant twice per year. So it becomes 2t. So after 20 years, what will the person with bond B return? Huh? 122.08. So which one is worth more? Bond A. All right, last one. And by the end of this one, if you haven't caught on to compound interest, you may want to come to tutorials. You heard that too. So on the first one here, either way, it's still going to be 2%. I'm going to call this Y1. Okay. So we have 10,000 and we have 1 plus 0.02 compounded twice per year. So divided by 2 to the 2t, right? And then on your Y2, you should have ended up with 10,000, 1 plus 0.04 compounded annually once a year. So it's just been to the t. And now I'm going to use the calculator to look and see what happens after 5 years. Does that make sense? So I'm comparing 5 years in both cases. So I'm going to go to Sylvie. Notice that I wrote it as Y1. That's because I was going to intentionally put them in to here. So 10,000. And we have 1 plus 0.02 divided by 2 to the 2t, which is going to be x. Then we have 10,000 times 1 plus 0.04. Is it okay if I don't write divided by 1? Well, that, like, miss, you didn't write the whole thing out. It's just divided by 1. It's going to be itself, so I'm not going to. All right, so I'm going to go look at the table. Now, starting off, you can see clear differences. I also think I wrote 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10. Did I write everything right? Oh, no, I did not. I was like, that's not right. And you guys just sit here and let me do things. Why? I guess I was just an annoying student that questioned everything her teacher did. And you guys just be letting me roam these streets freely. All right, so after year 1, here we are. Okay. After year 2, here we are. Year 3, year 4, year 5. So which is his better option that he should take? Option 1. Okay, the 2%. The 2% is the better option because do I want to pay more or less for my car in the end? Less. So in this case, option 2 was the better. 2% is our best option. Because after 5 years, he will only have paid $10,829. Yes? No? You see it? Okay. Are we pros at compound interest? Because this is the end of the lesson. Are we pros? All right.